everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Just wanted to share with you another Memorex card that I made. Now this one is actually going to be for Tammy Time. And she loves purples and pinks, sort of like I do, because we both like these colors. I like all different shades. So I used all different shades of purple. I've got some light purples, dark purples, same with the bling. I got light pinks and dark pinks, really pretty. So I used a lot of glue on this to hold it together because it's so thick, but it's still gorgeous. I love it anyway because of course I love purples and pinks. So this is the front. It's just got a little butterfly and a dragonfly, purple dragonfly. Pretty pink bow and beautiful flower, little petals and flowers, metal flowers that I have glued on, and it's got one of these little information cards in here that I haven't filled out yet. So here's one, just like this, inside and the back, just a pretty pink bow and decorative. Goes right in this little pocket right there. And then this also is a card for information, and it's a big one. So there's this one, just like this, with a pretty purple bow and a metal rosette here, and a pretty little holographic pink rosette I made with the little pink heart. Goes however you want it to go. Right in the top. So then we turn it over and we have the butterfly, very pretty butterfly, nice deep rosy pink, almost a reddish pink, a lot of bling and bows. This is the other side of that information card. And back behind the butterfly you have a little bitty secret compartment right back there. So this is that little extra card I always like to make. And you just, let's see which side is it. I think it's this side. Hopefully I didn't glue it. No. So you just take this little tab, you can put information in there, you can use it as a bookmark. However, you just put it right back in there like that and tuck it back into your tuck spot, which is right back there. That's like the little secret compartment. I guess if I'm putting it on YouTube, it's not so secret. So I think she'll really like this with the butterflies and flowers and dragonflies. She has a beautiful garden. Well, she likes to garden, and she grows things, and she picks mushrooms and knows all about mushrooms, and has a lot of wild mushrooms where she lives in Missouri. So this is going to be Tammy Time's Memorex card. And I wanted to remind everybody that I am doing a giveaway collab right now. Well, I don't know if you call it a collab. It's a challenge. It's a giveaway challenge is what I'm doing right now. And I will put the link. It's just a couple of videos back that explains how many points you can get if you send Memorex. I've gotten one so far. I'm hoping to get a few. I've got this big old box for Memorex cards, and I hope I get some more. Got one from Stinky Cheese, and I'm looking forward to seeing more. Truly I am. So here it is, Tammy Times. Don't forget to check out her channel. She's trying to reach 1,000 as well as me. I am like, I don't know, maybe 120, 25 away from being at 1,000. I'm trying so hard to hit it by January 1st. It's my goal. I don't know if it'll happen, but I'm sure trying. So if you want to share, put the word out, I'd appreciate it. And check out my challenge, my giveaway challenge. See what I'm giving away. It's a lot of good stuff. And I might even be adding more. If I can get a few more people to join the challenge, I might even add some more items as well. Thank you for joining me. God bless. Be safe and be happy. Bye-bye now. Hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving.